What is up, guys? This is Sean with Tad Performance, and today I just want to answer a few commonly asked questions regarding the sounds of our zombie baffles. Just how loud are they in general? How loud are they at idle? Can I get in and out of my neighborhood? And can I still hear my radio at cruising speed? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my GoPro on my helmet so that way you can actually hear what I'm hearing. So stick around and let's see what we can find. Alright guys, so before we get started, I want to give you a few details about the bike. Here we have a 2019 Street Glide Special. It has the Milwaukee 8114. It's got the stock head pipe, so the catalytic converter is still in there. There's been no motor work. It just has our 4.5-inch BAM 6 with the zombie baffles. One thing to keep in mind is that if you're on a twin cam, the sound will be a little bit different. We have found the twin cam to be a little bit louder, especially at idle. So if you're on a twin cam, just keep in mind this will be a rough idea of what you get, but the main focus here is for the M8. So let me go ahead and start this thing up. So here we go. At idle, anytime you're at a steady RPM, which I'll talk about here in a little bit, it's nice and low and it's actually pretty mellow. So when you stand in front of the bike, it's fairly quiet. I mean, even when you're standing directly behind the bike, it's definitely a little bit louder, but it's not in your face until you want it to be when you goose it. So all in all, at idle, you shouldn't be getting any noise complaints, but if you want someone to know what's up, go ahead and let them know. Alright, here we are to answer question number 2, which is, can I get in and out of my neighborhood without my neighbors wanting to kill me? So here I have the bike at idle. To me, it's not super loud, but you know, I'm not in my bed trying to sleep right now, so I'll let you guys be the judge of what I do here. So I'm just gonna let it idle here for a little bit, and then what I'm gonna do is ride it up and down a few blocks and let you guys kind of decide if these are gonna be too loud for your neighborhood. This is a pretty tightly packed neighborhood, and even still, I don't think it's too loud for this one, but again, I'll just let you guys kind of decide what you want to do. So to me, I think this is fairly reasonable. I'm not waking anybody up. I'm not disturbing anybody. So I think, all in all, if you're trying to get out of the neighborhood and you're not being, you know, if you're not being stupid about it, you shouldn't have any problems. Alright, moving on to question number 3. Can I hear my radio on the highway? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cruise at about 65 in 6th gear. I'm just going to kind of let you guys decide again what you think. I'm going right now. I can hear my radio, but I can still hear my exhaust. Neither one of them's too overbearing. So all in all, I don't think you're going to have any issue as long as you're not up in those upper RPMs. If you're cruising about 25 to 3 grand, you should be alright. Alright, I've basically spent the last couple minutes showing you guys the more mild side of the zombie baffles, so I don't want you to get confused, so let's go take a look at the wild side.